On top our tori for today, Presido Buhari don yarn am say him go accept support from IDB wey dey throway body put on top infrastructure. As pipo dey plenty everyday and infrastructure needs dey boku for di country, na Presido Muhammadu Buhari don take tok say e no get money wey dem go spend to take carry Nigeria development go up way too much. Presido Buhari tok dis one for Niamey, Niger Republic, as e yarn say Nigeria need all di support wey dem see unto infrastructure matter, as e be say oil no go be forever thing. And e tok dis one to Dr. Matta, wey be di Vice President for Islamic Development Bank (IDB), when dem dey do bilateral meeting unto country space for African Union Summit. Buhari thank IDB for the throway body put onto agriculture, business, investment, rural development and food security for Nigeria, and say the country go need IDB support for other sectors. Dr. Matta salute Nigeria onto the signing of African Continental Free Trade Area (AfCFTA) agreement. He say Nigeria don dey better level for trade matter. E con still thank President Muhammadu Buhari, say Islamic Development Bank (IDB) go continue to dey support development for the country. Dr. Matta con tok say Presido for IDB go like come Naija to commission the bank new office, as e be say Nigeria na the new hub for Islamic Development Bank Group. Na so we see am reach on top our tori for today, as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok am say im go accept support from Islamic Development Bank to take improve Nigeria infrastructure. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge update wey dey come waka meet una so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una.